Want to take you guys now to North Central Kentucky, Junction City, Kentucky. Here we go again. Are you serious right now? Brian from January 7th at 4:31 a.m. when he too noticed a convenience store's lights flickering on and off. This is the original video at original speed. You can tell he's moving very slow on the road next to the convenience store. You can see the parking lot lights flickering off. The store itself, the lights on the store are flickering off. He rolls down the window for a clearer view, and there you go. What in the world is going on here, guys? Seriously, this is weird. This is very weird. Here it is in slow motion, just to get a sense of how eerie this really is. Look at that. Can you imagine working in there and the power just turning off and then turning back on, turning off, turning back on? I mean, we've all at one point in our lives probably dealt with power outages. I know I have a time or two. One time for a week we were without power following an ice storm. But I've never seen anything like this. This is something that is super bizarre, altogether new. I've never seen in multiple locations, even over in the United Kingdom, lights flickering off and on like this. What in the world is causing the disruptions in the flow of electricity? That's what's going on here. The flow of electricity to these lights that are going out is being interfered with. But by what? Is it something to do with the substation? The facilities themselves? Watch coming up right here. I pause it. Parking lot light goes out. Most of the lights on the convenience store go out. Come back on. And then they go back off again. I mean, that is just super eerie. I've never seen anything like that. Going to Mason City, Iowa. We've seen this video, but I wanted to share it with you guys again in case you missed it. 1/5 of 2025. 2 days before the video you just saw. Same situation. This time at a fast food place and then a convenience store right next to it and parking lot lights flickering very quickly for unknown reasons. Once again, never seen anything like it.